Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 22 Hyundai I30 Active, stock reference number 5580. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left rear door, which has no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.